right, so right now we are at Grand Teton doing a little hike. First hike we've done in a while, so a little out of shape. Yeah, we're both a little out of shape, but we're over here at Hidden Falls. Pretty sick spot to have a little snack. We just came out here early, like 6:30, easy parking, and yeah, cruised.
Got some protein, elements, some water, and a view.
Nothing like getting to the park really early without getting breakfast, because guess what? We park in the park, we make some breakfast. Casual. How are the eggs?
Really good.
Yeah. Well, I was under the covers, and there we are.
This is our first time to, well, my first time. Andrew's been when he was younger, but it's my first time to the Grand Tetons National Park, and it is beautiful. We are starting with just some light trails, nothing too hard, because we haven't really been moving that much. So I don't want to overwork the body. So we're gonna start just with some easy trails, 5 miles, nothing too crazy. The last like long hike we did was in Hawaii, the Helloo trail, which we were working on a farm for a very long time and working up our stamina. So that made it a little bit easier on the body for when we had to go up and down those mountains. But just starting easy, easing our way into trails and hiking again. What you got there, Andrew?
This is like a mouthwash, but you just spray it in your mouth. Yeah, so we got some Grizz Guard. Just because yesterday when we were hiking, we saw a baby moose, and these other people told us that they had seen like 2 or 3 grizzly bears like 10 minutes earlier. So we didn't take a certain trail, and we're taking that trail today. So we bought some bear deterrent. Once they see me though, they're gone.
Comment below if you think that's a guy's toxic trait, thinking that he could take on a grizzly bear.
Be like Leonardo DiCaprio in The Revenant. Still alive, barely.
Always goes with an espresso. You can't go wrong with a flat white. What the goods? It is short day, sort of dispersed throughout 2 days. First time making spring rolls. This is what's gonna go inside. I'm slightly following this recipe from this book.
If my hairs are a little shaky, it's because I'm really hungry. We haven't eaten in like 5 or 6 hours, and we went on a hike today.
Quick little taste test. Holy crap.
Really good.
They're so good.
Nice.
Guys, it's really good. Let me see if you can hear the crunch. Wow.
They're being super good no matter which way you slice it. But the first like 2 we did 2 pieces of the rice paper just because we weren't sure how they'd hold up. But the single rice paper, way to go. More crispy all the way around, not doughy. But either way, it's really good.
Guys, we just pulled up to probably my favorite campsite so far. We went back to that campground you saw, not campground, campsite that we were at last week. And we stayed there for the week, and then we came back to the Grand Tetons area. Let me show you this spot.
Don't feel obligated.
That's it.
Yep. I got some element up in here.
This is like how I think I look when I go downhill. Just like cruising. Oh! The way up I didn't get any footage because, guys, your girl was dying.
Yeah,
Took many stops.
took a few stops,
Yeah.
but we made it.
But downhill, cruising.
Yep. We met someone who also does YouTube videos, gave us a nice mic recommendation. believe his name is Luke.
So expect some good stuff, guys.
Yep.
Eventually.
Yep.
Okay, guys. Just sat here editing the video and realized we didn't really wrap up the week in the Tetons. So this is what we're doing right now. First couple days we just did easy hikes like you would have saw. The Jenny Lake Trail leading to the Hidden Falls, which was at the time the first hike we did in a while, so it wasn't like too hard on the body. And then we thought, you know what, let's just do the Delta Lake Trail, which is about like 7.5 or something miles, all uphill to that beautiful spot you would have just seen. Gorgeous, but absolutely wrecked me. I'm so out of shape, and even when I'm not doing this type of stuff, I just absolutely hate inclines. I've always hated doing inclines, so just it being complete incline really just wore me down. But I highly recommend it, because the way back you're just going downhill the whole time. So you're doing a lot of work for those 3 miles to get there. Beautiful views, you could cold dip, and then, yeah, just enjoy the view and then go downhill. And then we really just been enjoying a few things in town, like the Snake River Coffee Roasters. That place you would have obviously seen us going back to a bunch of times. Just really enjoying our time here in Wyoming. Not sure where we're going next. We're thinking Montana. You want anything to add?
Yeah, we're thinking Glacier. So hopefully when we get up there, it's not too cold. We also heard that the road doesn't open until July to get into there. So seems like our timing's pretty good.
Yes, sir. I think I touched everything. We went to the Cowboy Bar, which was nice. Trying to think of other places we went to in town.
We try not to spend that much money either, so we didn't hit like a bunch of stuff.
Yeah.
But we went to Liberty Burger, pretty good burger, you know, reasonably priced. The Snake River Brewing Company, they had some pretty good beers. Roadhouse Brewing, they had some pretty good beers.
Beers after the hike. Just really nice.
Yeah.
I think that's it, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just anything in the national park, you can't go wrong. Because you have the views of the Grand Tetons the whole time. And it's pretty magical. But, yeah, maybe I'll try to link, like, our Instagram. We're going to upload the, like, photos that Andrew took on his camera, which are really nice, that you guys could check out if you wanted to follow us a little bit more. Love you, and I'll see you next week. We'll see you next week. Bye!